Hey guys, so I was at this Mediterranean restaurant and I got this poached egg thing and it was so awesome. I came home and I tried to make my own version of it that's different but in the same family. And what's funny is my mom was a chef, as you guys know, and she used to have this Zagat guide, which she called the Zagat's guide because she's fancy. She would dog ear and underline all these restaurants that she would go to in New York City, come home and perfect the recipe, and actually in a lot of cases make it better. I'm probably not gonna make this better, but I'm gonna replicate it and I'm gonna do my spin on it and I'm gonna show you what it is so we can all have this awesome thing at home. Because I actually think it's really easy to do and it's a really fun spin on breakfast. Okay, cool. So check this out. We're gonna put a tablespoon of white vinegar in here because it helps the eggs coagulate or congeal. What's the right word? Doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna put a tablespoon. I'm actually gonna do a tablespoon and a half. Different chefs use different amounts. This looks like 10-ish cups of water. I think it's if I remember correctly, my mom taught me this. I think it's a tablespoon of water for every, a tablespoon of vinegar for every 8 cups of water. So I did a tablespoon and a half. I guess we'll see what happens. I don't want to crack the egg straight in. It'll just become a splattery mess. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drop the egg into the ramekin and then we're going to delicately lower the egg into the water. So let's just get this in here first. So the egg is ready to go. We have to create a whirlpool. So it's like a vortex, okay? So we're going to vortex it up and then you drop the egg in the center of the vortex and it makes a little poached amazingness. So here we go. We're gonna make a vortex. You just want the water all swirling around. You don't have to be precious about it. Just get it going. Right into the center, drop in the egg. Boink. Set a timer for 3 minutes. And then we wait and we watch it. Poached egg, and you can see the yolk is perfect. One of the things I'm gonna add is I made this, I've shown you guys this dressing before. It's this beautiful vinaigrette with a bunch of herbs and mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, olive oil, lemon, white wine vinegar, salt, pepper. So I showed you guys how to do this one, but I'm gonna top this on there because there's a lot of the same flavors and a little extra herby punch. And then this company, Fly by Jing here, this company sent me this as a gift and it's beautiful and I use it on a lot of stuff. And this is a perfect time to use it. Okay, cool, check it out. Okay, so here are our beautiful poached eggs. Now we're gonna get our yogurt ready. So this is a cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt. I'm gonna add in a garlic clove, and then we're gonna add in some salt and pepper and some fresh herbs. I'm using mint, parsley, and dill. Mediterranean vibes. Let's chop up our herbs and stir them in. So mint, flat leaf parsley, dill, chop it all up together. Oh my gosh, that mint smells so good. Whenever I smell mint, I just immediately think of spring, summertime. I just think of all the incredible dishes I can add fresh mint to. It's so delicious. Let's add some salt, pepper, and let's whip this all together. I always feel like fresh herbs elevate so many dishes. This is a perfect example. Yum. Okay, look at how easy this is, you guys. Yogurt, egg, topping it with a little bit of this dressing that we already have, Malden sea salt, and chili sauce. This looks beautiful. I feel like the chef at this restaurant would be proud of me. I'm proud of me. Okay. So good. Oh my gosh, this poached egg is perfect, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think because I'm going to go eat this whole thing right now.